Okay. Item label. Series ampersand. Series and. Ah! I got some little train car thingies. Some patches, which is really awesome. I really think that it's gonna be Bomb because Bomb has been, I feel like, the most popular poll of this series that I've seen. I feel like I've seen hella Bomb. And I don't think it's the one that is gonna make me feel so scared. I think this is the same one that Millie got. I now think that this is gonna be the fish. This is totally the fish. This is the fish as fuck. That's super dope. This is a really good one. It's so small. Okay, dope. Series and edition. Ouioui. From Itemlabel. Bluefish. Dope pull.